Hello, Craig here. Just wanted to share a brief testimonial for Emeka. I never do testimonials, but in this case, I think Emeka deserves it. He's created a good course. It covers all the basics. It's something you really need to get if you do want to be successful with Kindle publishing. Now, what I've noticed is that a lot of people try to create Kindle courses, but these courses are not, shall we say, telling you everything you need to know. They tell you enough in order to sell the course, but you don't really know enough to be successful. Okay, so Emeka is successful at it. He's taught other people to be successful at it, and he has many testimonials, so you really need to get this course. Even if it's $200, it'll save you a lot of time, because as they say in business, money is access. Money is access. So if you want to do something efficiently, you want to save time doing it, you got to pay the piper, you got to pay up. So if you're really serious about being a successful business person, then you want to do this course, you want to buy this course. So there's a lot of steps to it. First, you need to know what niche you want to be in. After you find the niche, you need to be able to write the book. If you don't want to write the book yourself, you need to hire someone else to write the book. In my case, I'm writing my own book. All right, so my book is going to be very long. But if you think you're just going to throw together a 10,000 word book and just throw it up on Amazon or throw it up in the Kindle space and think you're going to make money, it's not going to work. It's going to go up and it's going to crash. It's going to go right down. So once you get the book written, you need a cover for the book. Once you have a cover, you need a description. Once you get a description, you have all the bases covered. Then how do you get people to know your book exists? So you need ads. All right, there's still more. Once you have the ads, how are you going to keep people coming back? Once you get people to buy the book, how are you going to get people to come back? So you need to create an email list. All right, you need to do all that. I've jotted, there's so much stuff. I had to put down a few things. There's back-end products. Maybe you can sell some type of product associated with your book. How do you do that? How do you build a team of people that can work with you to promote your book and can do stuff that you don't have time to do, right? Because once again, you have to pay to make more money. You have to pay other people to help you make money. All right. So that's one of the things he talks about. What else? Running ads. I've mentioned that. All right. And there's also alternatives to Kindle that are really legitimate. And so maybe you can use some publishing alternatives to Kindle to help you drive people toward your book on the Amazon site. Also, there's audiobooks, right? There's audiobooks, and what else? That's pretty much it. That's a lot of the basics. Like if you can get the Kindle, you can get the audiobooks, and one other thing, the paper books. So you have three. You have paper books, you have audiobooks, and you have the Kindle. So that's three different avenues of revenue that you can cover. And if you don't know what you're doing, you're going to have problems. So once again, I know this has been really long, but I wanted to make sure that you all understood that this is very important. You just can't wing this. If you want to make money, follow someone that's been in the space and that's not going to try to manipulate you just to take your money and be off in the sunset. Okay, so thanks Emeka for the course. I stand by that course. I'm always referring to it. It's just too much to memorize, so you need to have access to the course so you can get to it when you need a question answered. And then if you want more information, Emeka can coach you. You can be on coaching calls and so on. So Emeka is successful in this, and you need to find people that are actually doing it. And Emeka is one of the few people that's really serious about this and that's really adding value to this space. Okay, so that's my 2 cents. This is just off the cuff. I know it's kind of rough, but anyway, I just want you to understand the sincerity of what I'm saying is that you can make $5,000, $10,000 a month in Kindle, but you need to know how to do it. All right, so thanks Emeka, and you guys go out and create your best books ever. All right, bye.